Myself, I am Bhaskar Reddy. I am Director Operations in Hetero Labs Limited, and also I manage Hetero Group for solid orals manufacturing. Today, I am here to as a speaker in this CII organizing program, Pillars of Protection. So, after independence, we know India is rapidly growing in the industrialization. So, as part of industrialization growth, we also seen a lot of challenges with respect to the employees' safety, health, well-being, and no, obviously the industrialization also caused for some kind of occupational accidents and some employee risks. So, considering that a lot of programs have been conducted since last 70 years, National Safety Agency, National Safety Academy, and factories of inspectors, and OSHA, and similarly ISO 45000. 001, they're all regulating with some guidelines and procedures, but however no continuous awareness training will give the lot of strength towards the occupational and employee safety. So in that today CI is conducting this program. It's a great initiative, and this gathering definitely will bring experts from the industry who can share their experiences and their thoughts, and thereby we can exchange the ideas and experiences of one another's, and we can implement effectively in the industry. So the major focus today is how to prepare in emergency situations, and how to have a better occupational and operational safety protocols and principles. These topics are going to be discussed, and there are eminent personalities from industry and government bodies, and many other people are joining. So I hope this will give good insights, and people will leave this conference with good thoughts, ideas, and good implementation programs. And there are a lot of automations, digitalizations also happening in the area of the safety. So hope some experts will give some good insights about automations, and how they can be implemented and used in ensuring the better health, safety, and well-being of the employees at the workplace. Thank you. So you see, India now in a healthcare, not only in the hospital, in the overall healthcare, India is playing a significant role. And today, India is considered the pharmacy of the world. So almost one third of the volume of the pharmaceuticals manufactured in India for the entire global requirement. And also in the coming days, I believe India is going to be a health hub for the global health requirements, because the cost of the health and the quality cost of the health is very less, and quality of the health is very high in India. Now we are coming up with very good super specialty hospitals, and a lot of technologies are evolving. So entire world, entire globe is looking at India to have better healthcare solutions in hospital area, and also in the pharmaceutical requirements.